Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my Allure box in. Let's see if it's made any improvements. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening my Allure box. And if you like subscription boxes, you like makeup tutorials, weekly quickies of Get Ready With Me, and any other skincare things maybe, please do consider subscribing because we have a lot of fun here. And if I added any value, before you leave, please hit like. Okay, before we go any further, let's just talk about this box really quick. And this is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it used to be $15. Now it's gone up to $23, and that has caused a lot of commotion in the beauty, in the beauty community. And it's because that's a huge price jump. And according to those who've had it before, it has it now, the quality hasn't really changed. And the reason why the hike supposedly was to improve the quality of the products in here, but it doesn't seem like that is the case. So, but anyway, I did actually sign up for this for the whole year. And so I got grandfathered in with the old price. So, unless this does improve, I do agree. Unless it improves, I will not be renewing. So, it is what it is. So, anyway, that's enough of that. And anyhow, this is how it comes. When you open it, you always have this card here with some beautiful woman on the cover of it. And inside of it, it actually has the information on the products that you have. Okay, it's a little booklet like this. Okay, and what it is these comments in here are actually made by the Allure beauty employees or consultants or beauty advisors or whatever you call these people. And they actually give you their thought on it, on the product. So yeah, so it's not like, manufacturers' comments or anything like that, which I would have to go to the box to do that. So let's get started. First thing out of the box, I like this, La Roche-Posay. It looks like an SPF 100 sunscreen. I love this company, and I do love their sunscreens, but this is really tiny. I'll be honest with you, I would use this in just one application because you're supposed to use teaspoon of sunscreen each time, and I think that's about what's in here because it's not totally full. So anyway, what does it say about it? It says, Anthelios Melt and Milk Sunscreen. It is SPF 100, and this is for the body and the face as well. And I really do like their La Roche-Posay's sunscreen because it really does work. And so, yeah, like I said, this is actually a chemical sunscreen, and you have to put it on 15 minutes prior to going, to the sun and being exposed. So that's that. And the next thing out of the box is this More Pacific, okay, and does it grab it? Yeah, it's really shiny because the box is silver and it's really reflecting. So what is this? This is a treatment cleansing foam, and let's see what our Allure experts say about this. Okay, where are you? Okay, here we go. A more treatment cleansing foam. This has got to be one of the fanciest face washes I ever tried. It foams quickly, so satisfying. But because it's infused with rich oils and mango seed butter, it still feels soft and cushiony going on. And this tube delivers a pea-sized squirt and all I need to deep clean. It makes my skin feel truly pristine even after the grimiest, sweatiest foundationist days. Okay, and so the price of this is $50 for a full size, and of course this is not a full size. And so let's see what the bottle actually looks like. Okay, it's a small tube, and actually for this is big enough for a cleanser for me to try it, so I would know if I like it or not. But yeah, okay, but I do have a lot of cleansers right now in line waiting to be used. Okay, the next thing here is, let's see, Resurfacing Compound. Resurfacing Compound. You guys know how picky I am about my skincare, so let me take a look and see what this is all about. Okay. And this is by You Beauty, and it is a resurfacing compound. And she says, I dealt with hyperpigmentation as long as I can remember. My pimples have a way of leaving dark spots behind. This serum has many of the brightening, smoothing ingredients. Look for including vitamin C, alpha hydroxy acids, and retinol, plus clarifying with witch hazel and hydrating vitamin E. I applied a few pumps topped with a basic moisturizer, and I'm happy to report that after a few days, my complexion was looking all around brighter. My combination skin is generally tough enough to withstand experimenting, but retinol can still be irritating. I was relieved that this serum left no tingling or tightness. Definitely a new serum for my glass skin goals. And so it retails for $148 for 1 ounce. I think this is a full size 1 ounce, I believe. Yep, 1 fluid ounce, and it does retail for, I just said that, right? I just want to make sure I got that right, because that's a lot of money. And it's $148. Okay. Well, you know, I'm going to see if I can work this into my routine, because I do have a lot of products already that I need to actually experiment with. And let's see if this says anything. It's good for 12 months. Yep, definitely patch test this, because it does have retinol in it. Okay. And so, yeah, okay, I'll just go ahead and I'm just looking to see if I see any kind of fragrance in here right off the bat. I don't see anything like that. So, okay, well, I may go ahead and try it. Let's see, because my skin is dry and I need to take a look of everything else, because I saw witch hazel and I saw alcohol, and that could be pretty drying for my skin. So I'll take a look, and if I decide not to use it, I'm not even going to open it because it's in cellophane, and I'll go ahead and put it in my giveaways. Okay, the next one here is Christopher Robin. I've been seeing a lot of products from this guy, Christopher Robin. You know, it reminds me of, oh, it's Christoph Robin. I do this every time. Christopher Robin is Winnie the Pooh. That's what it reminds me of. So it's Christoph Robin, and it's a hair product, I bet. And so let's take a look and see what they have to say about that. That looks like full size, actually. It's 3.4, 100 mils, right? So, yeah, I think it is. Yep. Okay, so this is what the advisor has to say about it. I've always been a fan of air drying, but now that I'm in my 30s, my hair is a little drier and a lot frizzier. You would never know it, though. And not just because I rarely leave my apartment anymore. This silicone-free leave-in with hydrating, smoothing ingredients like glycerin and apricot kernel oil lets me air dry without frizz or puffiness. But my favorite way to use it is on clean, dry hair post-air drying. I'll take a dollop through the length and then run what's left of my fingers over my roots. I get a kick out of watching the instant transformation from fuzzy to shiny. And it is $43, and you can get it actually at Sephora, but this is $43, and this is actually a pretty good size. Let's see if, okay, it does have a seal on it, which I am happy about, so I'm not going to, I'm going to use this because I like leave-in conditioners, and even though the one I have right now is super duper, I'll go ahead and give this a try on a rotation. So, yep. Okay, the next thing here is the Floss. And I wonder if this is lipstick. Lipstick or lip liner. Let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah, it looks like lipstick. Let me be careful. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Oh, so pretty. I like this. Ooh, it smells like coconut. It's almost like, maybe it's a balm. I hope it's a balm because, I got enough lipstick of this shade. But if it's a balm, I think I like it. Okay, so let me tell you what she says about it. I know you're probably wondering why I would wear a lip color when most people are only seeing my eyes. But hear me out. This sheer crayon is much more than just a pretty hue. This formula is made with shea butter, so it keeps lips soft and hydrated without cracks. The berry wash is so flattering, a layers well. I apply 1 coat when I'm looking for a subtle tint, and 2 when there's, what? Oh, 2 or 3 when I want more vibrant effects. Okay. Yeah, that works. I like it. And this is $18. Yep. And so, yeah, it does smell nice. And I guess that's shea butter that I'm smelling, not coconut. But, hey, it's not. No, this is coconut. It smells so nice. It smells like edible. So I'm happy with that. I will go ahead and keep it because I do like balms. And, oh, you know, lip products are always welcome, even in this environment. Okay, the last thing in here is a 100% pure cotton sheet mask for refresh, youthful looking skin. It's a revitalizing mask by Medica Derma. There it is. And you know, I've been really liking these masks. Not so much the full face one though, but you know, I like them under the eyes. But you know, I'll use it because I enjoy it. It's really refreshing. So let me tell you a little bit about that. And let's see. Is that it? Yep. Sorry about that. I can't see. Okay, here we go. I haven't left my home in 15 days or maybe it's been 20. With all the time indoors, my finicky skin is drier than ever and randomly reddens and flakes. Fun. So I've been using Medica's sheet mask, drenched in moisturizing and calming ingredients, including allantonin and Centella acericus. Okay, whatever that is. I guess that is some kind of a Latin name for a plant, I would think. I tear open the sachet, smooth the essence, soak cotton fabric over my clean, dry skin, watch a rerun of The Office, then pull off the sheet mask to reveal hydrated dewiness. I like to rub in excess essence to really get the most out of it. A week later, I start the process all over again. So I guess it's like a once a week thing. So it is $19.99 for the pack of 10. So it's kind of cheap. That's very inexpensive, actually. That'll be what, like $1.99 per? So that's very good. Yep. And that's that. And so, I think that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. Let's see, real quick. I got the La Roche-Posay sunscreen, enough for one use. SPF 100, 100% pure cotton mask, hydrating mask, Christoph Robin's leave-in conditioner. I like this one. And also Floss lip balm. I like that one too. And also the Allure Beauty serum. And last but not least, this Amore Pacific cleanser. So that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. If you add the dollars up, it is worth the money. And just for this here alone, even if I didn't use anything else, although I will, it would have paid for my box. And so, yeah, I think it's okay. And this is good for people who like skincare and hair care. But if you don't and you really want makeup, I wouldn't do Allure because I can't remember the last time I really got makeup. I mean, if they're considering this lip balm a makeup, okay, but I mean, that's it. So yeah, really think about it. And if you are interested, I will leave a link below. And so that way you can go ahead and sign up for it. So my beautiful wildflowers and guests, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hit that little bell button so that way you will know every time I upload a video. And also, my beautiful wildflowers, I have some really exciting news coming up really soon, and it is a collab with one of the women that are on YouTube, and I'll give you more information about it in the future, but we're kind of working at the details right now, and it's something really fun. So stay tuned for that, okay? Alrighty then. Well, I hope you guys have a great week, great day, great night, great morning, whenever you're watching this. But always remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.